Hello my students everyone, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 3 from معاصر book. Look at with me about question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of the following equals negative 5? Look at with me, 0 divided by negative 5, it will be 0. And letter B, 1 divided by negative 5, it will be negative 1 over 5. And letter C, negative 25 divided by negative 5, it will be 5. And letter D, negative 25 divided by 5, it will be negative 5. Choose letter D. Next question is number 2. If the price of an item decreased from 1,500 to 1,200 Egyptian lira, what is the discount rate? Discount rate is meaning discount over 1,500, 1,500, product by 100 over 100 to convert to percentage. And discount will be what? 300. The price was 1,200, 1,500 convert to 1,200 by discount 300. So you can write discount up here divided the original point product by 100 or percentage. You can cancel double zero by double zero and 300 divided by 15. 30 divided by 15 equal 2. 2 times 10 it will be 20. So the result will be 20 percentage. That was question number 2. Question number 3. If x less than 0, it's meaning x negative and y positive, y greater than 0, y positive and x negative. Which of the following of the point x and negative y lies where we know x negative here, like negative 1 times 1 would be negative, and the sign of y positive times negative, it will be negative. So negative and negative lines in the third quadrant. We have first quadrant positive and positive, and second quadrant negative and positive, and the third negative and negative, and the fourth positive and negative. So it negative and negative lies in the third quadrant. Then the solution will be third. Choose letter C, third quadrant. Question number 4. Which of the following equations has no solution in Z? We have here letter B, 6x equal 15. To solve this equation, we must divide it by 6. Then the value of x equal 15 over 6. You can simplify it by dividing by 3 numerator and denominator. Will be 5 over 2. Not belonging to Z. So we must choose letter B. Letter B must choose it because the asked about has no solution in Z. Next question, number 5. We have question, Magdi can run 75 meters in 25 seconds. If the maintain his speed, which proportion you can use to find the time x needs to run 300 meters? We can combine between the number of meters and the number of seconds. So 75 over 25 equivalent the ratio between 300 meters and space here reverse to second. We want to find the value of x product by 325 over 75. The product of extremes equal product of means. So the value of x equals 300 divided by 75, it will be 4. 4 product by 25, it will be 100. Then the value of x, it will be 100. Okay, you must choose later what about the solution. We have 75 over 25 equivalent 300 over x. Choose letter P. Next question number 6. Which of the following type angle supplements an acute angle? Look at here, we have acute angle and obtuse angle. Some of them equal 180 degree. So the obtuse angle, it will be supplements of acute angle. What is the type of the angle that supplements an acute؟ يعني يا ولاد acute اللي عندي هيتضاف عليها كام عشان تديك 180. الاكيوت مثلا لو قلت 50 هيتضاف عليها 130. 130 obtuse. Then in this example he asked about the type of the angle that supplements an acute. Then it will be an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle. because some of them equal 180 degrees. Question number 7. In the opposite figure, the shape is regular octagon. What is the value of its octagon? Regular octagon, octagon, hexagon, pentagon. We have how sides? 8 sides. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can find the measure of interior angles here and then find the value of x 180 subtracted by the angle. Okay, because we have a straight line here. Then first you must find the inside angles here about this shape. Okay, the shape regular octagon. Octagon. We can find the measure of this angle, but why? Why here refers to the angles inside the octagon. Okay, we can write the rule and subtract by 2, product by 180 divided by n to find the measure of angles which supplement this angle of x. Put n equal 8 because we have octagon. Octagon is meaning the shape has 8 sides. 8 subtract by 2 product by 180 divided by 8. So you can write 8 minus 2 6, 6 product by 180 over 8, and then you can simplify it. 6 divided by 2 equal 3, and 8 divided by 2 4. 180 divided by 4 equal 45. 45 times 3, 3 times 5, 15. 5 and carry 1, 3 times 4, 12 plus 1 equal 13. So the measure of this angle y, it will be 135. So you can find the measure of angle x, right? 180 subtracted by 135. Then the value of x, it will be 45. Then the measure of angle x equal to 45 degree. Understood? We have here to supplement this angle. First step, find the measure of angle y by using this rule to find the measure of one angles inside the regular of octagon. And then next question, choose the correct answer. Number 1. If the sum of two angles in triangle 130, what is the measure of the third angle? Okay, we know the sum of interior angle in any triangle, it will be 180. So 180 subtracted by 130, it will be 50 degree. It's the measure of third angle in triangle. Okay, shows letter C. Questions number 2. Which inequality expresses that Basim requires minimums of 10 gigabytes per month to accomplish his work online? Then X, he wants what? Inequality represent Basim requires a minimum of 10 gigabytes. Mean X greater than or equal to n. Okay, understood? We must write X greater than or equal to 10 about this example because باسم requires a minimum of 10 gigabyte per month. يعني باسم كل شهر لازم عشان يستخدم انترنت ما يقلش عن 10 جيجا بايت عشان يقدر يمارس شغله على الاونلاين. تمام؟ يبقى x greater than equal to n. Question number 3. In the opposite figure, we want to find the value of x here about rhombus. We know rhombus, its meaning quadrant which has 4 sides are equal lengths. We have diagonal here divided this vertex 25 degree. So the angle x it will be 25 degree. فاهمين يا ولاد؟ يعني انت عندك هنا في الرومبس بيبقى الكل سايد زي بعضهم، فلما ترسم الدايجونال ده يبقى عندك هنا ايسوسيس تراينجل، يعني الانجل هنا 25 تبقى الانجل اللي زيها 25. Shows letter A. Next questions number 4. The opposite figure is shows by chart for expenditure of family whose monthly income 10,000 Egyptian lira. The monthly medical treatment expenses are space Egyptian lira. بيسأل على المنطق الميديكال عندي هنا بكام يا مستر؟ اللي هو الجزء الموجود البارت ده. طب هنا في 30 هنا 15 هنا 20 البارت ده. نحاول نركز كده معايا. في عندي 15% وفي 20% وهنا الهاوسنج 30. It's not clear. Look at here. This part was 20%. Okay. We have here 30%. And this part 20%, okay, and this part 15%, and this part 20%. We can find the percentage here by write 100%, subtract the sum of all percentage, right? 20 plus 30 plus 15% plus 20%. So the result will be what? The result here will be 15%. And then we can write 15 over 100 product by the total money about income 10,000. Cancel double zero by double zero. 100 times 15 it will be 1,500 Egyptian lira. Choose letter هنا يا ولاد. يبقى أول ستيب عندي جبنا هنا البرسنتج بكام. هو كان جايبها بس مش واضحة، أنا جبتها لقيتها واضحة يعني في كتاب تاني. هنا 20 بس تمام. فهنعمل بلس كلهم ونعمل سبتراكت 100% يطلع معايا 15. فأنا عايز أشوف بقى يدفع قد إيه في المبلغ ده، في البارت ده اللي هو يمثل العلاج. فهقول له والله المبلغ كله اللي هو 10%، 10,000 برودكتيف برسنتج اللي عندي يطلع معايا 1,500 اللي إجابتك لتر إيه. طيب الكويشن اللي بعده نمبر 5. هنا بيقول لي the result of adding the two expression is، يعني انت لما تجمع التو اكسبريشن اللي عندك الناتج هيطلع بكام الحل بتاعك. فانت لما تيجي تعمل بلس هتاخد نيجاتيف 3 واي، على كده نكتب نيجاتيف 3 واي وكمان المتشابهه ليها اللي هم اللايك تيرمز نيجاتيف 3 واي بلس 3 واي and negative x behind positive x and negative 4z behind negative 4z. And then we can write negative 3y and positive will be 0, negative x plus x 0, negative 4z and negative 8 4z it will be negative 8z. الحل بتاعي هيطلع negative 8z اللي هي letter B. طيب الكوتشن اللي بعده من letter number 6. if set of 4, 5 and 7 subset of 3 x 4 y 8, then what is the value of x plus y? Look at here, we have x and y. 4 here, then x will be 5 and y 7, or y equals 7 and x equals 7. Sorry, y equals 5 and x equals 7. So we can add 5 plus 7, the sum of them it will be 12. Choose letter D. Question number 7. In the opposite figure, you want to find the value of x. We have two straight line parallel. This angle x and here 60. Sum of them it will be 180. We called it supplementous angle. Then the value of x equal 180 subtracted by 60. It will be 120 degree. Next question, third group. Number 1. 3 persons invested in the construction of factory. The first person paid 9 million and the second paid 6 million and the third paid 7,500,000. And the end of the first year the profits amounts to 2,250,000 and the profits were distributed by each person. Capital contribution, calculate the share of the first year's profit for each person. يعني 3 دخلوا في مشروع يا ولاد والمشروع كسب وربح، فعايزين نوزع حسب نسبة كل شخص. طيب انت عندك الفيرست A and B and C. We can write first 6 million and 9 million and second 6 million and the third 2,500,000. Okay, we must find the ratio in the simplest form divided by 1,000 and then divided by 100. So we have 90 to 60 to 25. Then you can simplify it, but هتكون factor between them 5. 90 divided by 5 equal 18, 60 divided by 5 it will be 12, and 25 divided by 5, 5. And then we can add to each together. 18 plus 12 plus 5 because we have the profits was, sorry, it was 7,500,000. Yeah, 75 divided by 5 equal 15, and then we can simplify it again. معلش هو ركز معايا، دي كانت 7 سوري، يبقى 75 divided by 5 نديني 15. ارجع تاني اعملها divide 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 12 divided by 3 4. 15 divided by 3 5. بعمل بلس بقى كلهم. طبعا انت جبت الريشيو بين الفيرست والسكند والثيرد تعملهم بلس. ليه بلس؟ لان انت هتوزع المبلغ كله اللي هو 2,250,000 على 3 persons. طيب the sum of them 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. We can find the value of A and B and C. A here refers to the first. We can write 6 product by 2,250,000 over 15, and B write 4 product by 2,250,000 divided 15, and C write 5 product by 2,250,000 divided 15. We can use the calculator to find the result. Write 6 or 2,250,000 divided by 15 equal this number product by 6. So the first person he will get 900,000. The first person will get 900,000 Egyptian lira. And second person we can write 4 product 2,250,000 divided by 15. The result will be 200 هنا divided. Okay, again divided and 0 will be 600,000. Okay, and the third we can cancel 4 and write 5, so the result will be 750,000 Egyptian lira. Okay, 750,000. The first and second and third. Okay, next question. Question number 2. The opposite table shows the number of minutes on a group of people spent on a phone sales. Calculate the average number of minutes a person spends on a phone conversation. We can draw. وعايزين أولاد الإكس بار يعني عايزين نجيبها. طيب نعمل تيبل. We'll divide it x and f and x product by f. X here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. منها الفريكونسي الاف كانت 12 20 36 20 12. 2 times 12 24, 3 times 20 60, 2 times 4 times 36 144, 5 times 20 100, 6 times 12 72. And then we can find the sum of frequency here. It will be 8 plus 2 10, 0 and carry 1, 2 4 7 plus 3 10. And here 4 8 10, 3 6 7 7 11, 3 plus 6 9 9, 4 plus 4 10. Okay, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 12, 24 6 3 9 12 19 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 0 and carry up 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, carry up 1, 2, 3, we have 2, 3, 4, okay, 400. Then x bar will be equal 400 over 100, it will be 4. Next question number 3. If my mother's age now is 3 times my age and she is 24 years old than me, how old each of you now? Okay, put the age of a child will be x and his mother, the age of his، يعني يا ولاد هنفرض ان عمر طفل x وامه كان 3 امثال عمره يعني 3x. بعد كده قال لي the difference between them it will be 24. يقول لي هنا and she is 24 years old than me، يعني الفرق بينه وبين عمري وعمرها 24. يبقى هنا 3x minus x equal 24. يعني اقول له 2x هتبقى 24 يعني الاكس هيبقى 12 يعني الايدج اوف تشايلد طفل هيبقى 12 years and his mother وامه هتبقى 3 times 12 ب 36 years. Next question is number 4. In the opposite figure prove that AD parallel to BC. عايزين نثبت ال AD parallel to BC. Okay. First step we have break AD and we have triangle here. We have x and x. To solve this example, first step we must find the value of x here. We have 40, right? Such that E belonging to the ray BF. Then we can write measure of angle x plus 40 plus x equal 180. Because we have 3 angles collinear. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 angles. Sum of them will be 180 because we have straight angle. X plus x it will be 2x plus 40 it will be 180. Then 2x equal 180 subtracted by 40, 140. Then the value of x here to be 70. And then we have here 70 and here 70. Look at this angle and this angle, they are corresponding angles. Then measure of angle DAF equal measure of angle B equal 70 degree corresponding angle. Okay, corresponding angle. Then the ray AD parallel to BC. فهمتوا يا ولاد؟ يبقى احنا اثبتنا في الاكزامبل ان البي سي parallel to ED. ليه؟ لان انا جبت الانجل اللي هنا هي الاكس 70 والانجل دي 70 دول corresponding angles. فطالما هما corresponding angles وضع اللي عند الحاله اللي اسمها corresponding angles يا ولاد، يعني بالنسبه للترانسفير اللي هو اي اف ده القاطع للتو ستريت لاين هيكونوا parallel. Okay, next question number 5. In the opposite figure, find the value of x. We have here figure has 4 sides. To find the sum of inside angles, what is the rule here? N equal 4. 4 minus 2, 2 times 180 equals 360. The sum of two angles 360. يعني أقول له هنا 90 plus x plus 3x plus 66 1 2 3 4 كلهم بيكونوا ب 360. Then x plus x 4x 6 plus 0 6 6 plus 9 15 equals 360. Then 4x equals 360 subtracted by 156. 10 minus 6 4 and 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 1 2 and the value of x equal 20 divided by 4 5. 4 divided by 4 equal what? It will be 51 degree.